Hello, today I am going to talk about the Loungefly Pokemon Pokeball 3D keychain. So this is a keychain. I use it to, find my keys more easily. I think it's really just a simple keychain, this round sphere. It's easy to grip onto when you're searching for your keys at the bottom of your bottomless purse, or so it seems. Then it's really nice to have something that you can really grip onto and just grab and pull out your keys. There's no searching around forever. Even, when you use other keychains, sometimes that happens. So I like this. It's very simple. I've had it for about a year, and it is a Pokeball from the popular franchise or cartoon series originally. And the game Pokemon. Pokemon are these creatures that battle one another, and you basically, the characters in it go around catching them. You gotta catch them all. That's the slogan. Gotta catch them all. And it is rubbery material. It's a sphere. It's 4.5 inches long, I believe. And this wasn't there when I got it. I just added this on because somehow over time I lost the other key ring for it. It's made of synthetic materials, and a friend gave this to me at the time. It's very easy to hold, and I've actually kept it on the outside of my bag for a really long period of time. Like, I would put it on the zipper of my backpack, kind of as decor, and it's been through rainy weather with me, so it is still fine even throughout all that. It's great condition considering everything it's been through. And it's not mushy. It's pretty sturdy. Like, you can't squeeze it. It's not a dog toy. It doesn't squeak, It doesn't open. It is very easy to travel with. And so if you have a lot to carry, like cards on here, things like that, it's nice to have. It stands out. It does not bounce, despite looking kind of like a bouncy ball. It's pretty durable material, as you can see. It doesn't scratch. It's soft, kind of, so you don't really have to worry about any scratches or anything like that. It's not shiny. And before this, I used to use a fuzzy cloth flower design thing as a keychain, and eventually that got worn out, and it just didn't work for me anymore eventually. So I decided I needed something new, and just in time I got this as that gift. It is white and red here, and then this is this black lining here. And right here there's a little button, and it looks like you can pop it open, but you can't. It does not open. It's just kind of one sphere all together. They also sell them in purple, but I wanted the classic one. The classic one is red, white, and black, and that's what I was going for, and I'm so glad that my friend knew that. So I'm very glad it wasn't the purple one. It's made in China. Loungefly is the manufacturer, and it's a great gift idea for a Pokemon fan like myself. So definitely, if you know someone who is really into Pokemon and you think would like this, I would definitely consider it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.